Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.